friends. I Rashi Nagar welcomes you all on the behalf of GuruKPO.com. Today I am going to deliver my lecture on antibody structure. As we all know, the antibody are the protein molecules. These are the secreted form of B cell antigen receptor. They are secreted by or they produced by the plasma cell. This plasma cells is also known as the effector B cells, because they have the globulin protein in their structure. That's why we also known as antibody globular structure. They are also known as the immunoglobulin or the IgG family molecules, because they shows the immunity by our immune response. That's why they are known as the immunoglobulin protein. They are made up of 4 polypeptide chains, which chains are joined together by the disulfide bond. These 4 polypeptide chains are further differentiated into the 2 identical copies of higher chains or 2 identical copies of light chain. These heavy chains are further divided into the constant region or the variable region as seen in this figure. This one is our lighter chain, this one is our higher chain, because this also known as heavy chain because this has a multiple number of the amino acid, whereas the light chain is containing the short number of the amino acid. For example, in IgG antibody, we have lighter chain with amino acid 212 amino acid, whereas the heavy chain with 450 amino acid. So the number of the amino acid differentiated into the lighter chain or the heavy chain. These lighter chain or heavy chain is further divided into the constant region or the variable region. Light chain containing only one variable region and one constant region, whereas the heavy chain has 3 to 4, either 3 or 4 constant region or 1 variable region. Constant region has no variability in the amino acid sequences, that's why it's known as constant region, whereas the variable region, it has the variability in the amino sequences in different type of antibodies, that's why they are known as the variable region. The heavy chain containing the 3 constant region, like in this structure CH1, which is differentiated as CH1, CH2 and CH3. This CH1-2 domain and the CH2-2 domain, between these 2 domains there is also a hinge region. This hinge region has a variability or the flexibility which provides to the antibody. Hinge region is connected together by the disulfide bonds. They are abundant in the proline amino acid. The formula for the IgG antibodies is denoted as H2L2, where 2 denotes the number of 2 identical copies, H denotes the heavy chain. Here also 2 denotes the identical copies, number of identical copies, and L denotes the lighter chain. For this, we also know that the light region or the heavy chains are differentiated into the variable regions or the constant region. So the variable region for heavy chain is denoted as VH, and the constant region for the heavy chain is denoted as the CH. Same as it is for the variable region for the lighter chain is denoted as the VL, and the constant region is denoted as the CM. Now, on the basis of the constant region, our heavy chain and the lighter chains are further differentiated into the components. The lighter chain is differentiated into the kappa and the lambda, whereas in heavy chain, on the basis of the constant region, our antibodies are differentiated into the 5 types as IgM, IgG, IgE, IgA and IgD. Amino acids in the heavy chain or the lighter chains are present in the loop structure. They are not formed in a linear form. So the loop structure is also known as the domain. Each domain has 100 to 100 amino acid in their structure. These domains are folded into the 2 layers of beta plated sheets, and these sheets are stabilized by their hydrophobic interaction and the disulfide bond. By this structure, the specific antibody is shared by the non-specific antibody structure. This complex is known as the Ig superfamily. Now, on the we also know that the antigen is bind to the specific site on the antibodies. So the specific site for the antigen binding is present on the variable regions of both lighter chain and the heavier chain. This binding site, antigen binding site, is known as the paratopes, whereas the antigen which binds to the antibody is known as the isotope. So this is all about the antibody. Thanks for watching this video, and visit our website gurukpo.com for further subscription. Thank you.